Ever wondered how the people of Okinawa, Japan, defy the sands of time to embrace both remarkable longevity and boundless happiness? Brace yourself for a revelation that could change the way you approach life forever. Keep watching. Chapter 1: Introduction to Ikigai. At the outset, the authors immerse readers in the essence of Ikigai, tracing its historical origins and evolution within Japanese society. By unearthing the cultural significance of this term, they establish its importance as a guiding principle for a meaningful life. Through illuminating examples, they showcase how the pursuit of Ikigai contributes to a profound sense of purpose and well-being in individuals. Chapter 2: Discovering Your Passion. Delving deeper into the first element of Ikigai, this chapter explores the significance of identifying and nurturing one's passions. By drawing from inspiring stories of individuals who have discovered their Ikigai by following their hearts, the authors emphasize the transformative power of aligning one's work and hobbies with what brings joy and fulfillment. Readers are encouraged to embrace their true passions, as they become the cornerstone of a life well lived. Chapter 3: Cultivating Mastery and Skill. In this chapter, the book highlights the profound value of mastery and skill development in the pursuit of Ikigai. Drawing parallels to the dedication and commitment exhibited by Japanese artisans and craftsmen, the authors underscore the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. By honing one's skills and embracing a growth mindset, individuals can elevate their sense of purpose and satisfaction. Chapter 4: Making a Difference in the World. At the heart of Ikigai lies the desire to make a positive impact on the world. This chapter celebrates the intrinsic fulfillment that comes from helping others and contributing to the greater good. By sharing inspiring accounts of philanthropists and community leaders, the authors illustrate how acts of altruism and compassion enrich one's sense of purpose and lead to a more fulfilling life. Chapter 5: Finding Your Niche. Integral to the pursuit of Ikigai is the concept of finding one's niche, the sweet spot where passion aligns with societal needs. Through thought-provoking examples, the authors challenge readers to explore diverse opportunities and tailor their skills to create unique contributions. By fostering a sense of purpose and individuality, individuals can find deeper satisfaction in their personal and professional endeavors. Chapter 6: Living in the Present Moment. This chapter introduces readers to the Zen philosophy and the importance of mindfulness in embracing the present moment. By incorporating meditation and mindfulness practices, the book equips readers with practical tools for experiencing inner peace, reducing stress, and savoring life's precious moments. Living in the present is presented as a gateway to unlocking greater happiness and fulfillment. Chapter 7: The Power of Relationships. Human connections and meaningful relationships are essential components of Ikigai. In this chapter, the authors delve into the profound impact of family, community, and social bonds in nurturing personal growth, happiness, and longevity. Understanding the significance of shared experiences and support, readers are encouraged to foster deep and meaningful connections that enrich their sense of purpose. Chapter 8: Embracing Change and Resilience. As life inevitably brings change and challenges, embracing adaptability and resilience becomes paramount in sustaining Ikigai. Drawing from inspiring stories of individuals who have weathered storms and emerged stronger, this chapter celebrates the power of resilience and its role in maintaining a sense of purpose amidst life's uncertainties. Embracing change is presented as an opportunity for growth and continued fulfillment. Chapter 9: Finding Ikigai at Every Age. Dispelling the notion that Ikigai is limited to certain life stages, this chapter showcases the universal applicability of the philosophy. Through examples of individuals who have found their purpose at different ages and life circumstances, the authors inspire readers to embrace the pursuit of Ikigai regardless of their current position. Emphasizing that it is never too late to find meaning and fulfillment, the book encourages individuals to embark on their unique journey towards Ikigai. Conclusion. Ikigai, The Japanese secret to a long and happy life culminates in a powerful call to action. By combining passion, skill, purpose, and contribution, individuals can craft a harmonious and fulfilled life. The book serves as a roadmap for embracing the wisdom of Ikigai, unlocking the potential for happiness, longevity, and a life well lived. Armed with the insights and practices shared within these pages, readers are empowered to embark on their unique journey to discover and embrace their Ikigai, transforming their lives in profound and meaningful ways. By embracing Ikigai, readers can unlock the secrets to a long and happy life that has purpose and joy at its core. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what you just watched, please support us by liking and subscribing. Make sure to enable notifications so you'll be the first to know when we release new videos.